Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to send meeting invite in Outlook. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is log into our Outlook account, either through the desktop application or through Google Chrome. Now we will look for the icon that looks like a calendar on the left side of our screen. When we click on it, we will click on the button that says New Event. This will open a new window where we can give a name to our meeting and add the participants who can be from our contact list or simply put the emails. We can choose the start and end time of the meeting as well as the day we want to do it. Finally, we can activate the button so that the meeting is by Skype, and as a last step we can write a description for the meeting or even attach a document. Then we just click on save and that's it. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solution video.